even the sports that you may not think about immediately.
Yeah, like your individual sports. Yeah,
Exactly.
we think about team sports a lot, but the individual sports we don't really put as much. There's not much light shine on them when it comes to the therapeutic side of things, because you don't hear about a lot of injuries when it comes to. Well, I'll take that back.
Yeah.
You'll hear about injuries.
Because
You're not hearing
you know,
about ACLs or
yeah,
MCLs, where some sports you may, like tennis, you may, because that's a multi-directional sport. So
yeah,
you're going to be, you got to have agility, things of that nature. But sports like golf, it's only been more known now when they, you heard about Tiger. I think he sprained or did something to one of his MCL or ACL. I could be wrong, but I'm
but
pretty
like
sure.
with golf, you mainly think of like golfer's elbow,
Yeah,
the tinnitus and
right.
stuff like that, but you don't really think of, oh, how can chiropractic care help my golf swing,
Hmm.
or like how can chiropractic care, you know, help like the biomechanical
Right.
side of the pelvis and the low back, and how that could, you know, better my game and
Yeah.
keep me from, injury.
Right. No, yeah. And so golf is a unilateral sport, right?
Yeah.
So we're constantly,
Well, explain unilateral sport for those that,
yes, good point.
you
So
know,
unilateral meaning that you're going to be in the same plane doing the same motion consistently. Whereas a multi-directional sport would be like football or basketball, where you are going different directions throughout the duration of your competition. So with golf, you're constantly making the same motion for hours at a time. So that would be like a unidirectional sport. Same thing with like bowling. Bowling, you're doing the same repetitive motion in the same plane. Um, but with those sports, people don't realize that a lot of injuries comes from overuse in that same, doing that same motion over constant periods of time. So that's why you'll hear of a lot of golfers having back issues, because you're putting, number one, a lot of torque on your spine, especially your lower back, and then you're putting a lot of stress as well on your knee, specifically your lead knee. So those things kind of get lost when you're thinking about um, injuries, and people don't realize that chiropractic care could help with those things, due to the different types of modalities that we could use to help with soft tissue, and then obviously the main component is going to be the adjustments to help with making sure that the nervous system is firing at all cylinders, so that your body can heal at a lot quicker rate as opposed to not healing at a quicker rate.
oh yeah.